believe our most valuable service is RTS's strategic consultation on improving manufacturing operational performance to meet manufacturing business goals at the end of the day. Of course, from a tactical perspective, we offer services such as PLC, HMI, SCADA, MES deployment, as well as electrical control panel design and fabrication. All to get the client to the end goal. In essence, RTS is a complete shop floor systems integration turnkey provider. We recommend brainstorming around manufacturing pain points during a client blueprinting session. And this helps determine top priorities with the highest value or impact to the client. And during the blueprint, we make recommendations on how the latest technologies or concepts, things like MES and digital transformation, artificial intelligence, autonomous mobile robots, cobots, IIoT, etc., all of that stuff, and business process change to really leverage the technologies to foster an organization that really achieves operational excellence. And we like to create kind of a journey roadmap, if you will. And we document the as is, where you are now, the to be, where we all want to get to, so that we can track the progress along with critical milestones along the journey. We see more and more of our clients, coming to the realization that they're at a point where their industrial control systems are outdated or obsolete, and they're on a mission to upgrade. So from that perspective, I think it's good. It mitigates their risk of a major, failure and downtime, if you will. So from that part, I think it's good. But on the other hand, I would say that, we struggle with having clients come to the realization that, okay, you're in a position to upgrade, kind of the industrial control systems. Now is the time to really leverage that new technology that you're considering and really wring out, to the next level, the value that you can have from it. Not just a rip and replace, but, stop and think about what could easily be obtained with this new technology platform.